Hello everyone. In Python, the underscore character plays a significant role in naming convention for variables, functions, and methods. While Python itself doesn't strictly enforce all these conventions, they are widely adopted by the community to improve code readability and single intent. Let's break down the different ways underscore are used. Number 1. Single leading underscore. Convention. Variables or methods prefixed with a single underscore are considered internal use or protected. This is a hint to other developers that these members are not part of the public API of a module or class and should not be accessed directly from outside unless you know what you are doing. Behavior. Python doesn't strictly prevent access. However, during from module import star, imports names starting with underscore are not imported into the current namespace. Let's do this. Number 1. Usage. Let's print it. Let's run it and print 10 and 20. Okay, number 2, double leading underscore. Convention. When a variable or method name within a class starts with 2 underscores and doesn't end with 2 underscores, Python performs name mangling. This is primarily used to avoid naming conflicts in classes that inherit from each other. Behavior. Python automatically renames these attributes to underscore class name underscore variable. This makes them harder to accidentally override in subclasses. Let's do this. Number 2. Excuse me. Let's print it. And usage. Let's print it. Let's print it. Let's run it and print 10 and 30. Okay, number 3, double leading and trailing. Convention. These are special or magic methods and variables in Python, often referred as dunder methods. Dunder is double underscore. They are used by Python itself to implement a specific behavior. You should not invent your own names following this pattern. Instead, you use these to hook into Python built-in functionalities. Example: underscore init underscore constructor underscore str underscore string representation underscore len underscore length underscore underscore add underscore underscore addition operator. Example number 3. Excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, let's print it. And let's run it and print it. Okay. Number 4, single trailing underscore. Trailing underscore. Convention. This convention is typically used to avoid conflicts with Python reserved keywords. For instance, if you wanted to name a variable class, you couldn't because class is a keyword. Using class underscore solves this behavior. This is purely a naming convention to avoid syntax errors. Let's do this. Number 4. You cannot do this. Instead, use a trailing underscore. Let's print it. And let's run it. And class type printed. Okay. Number 5. Single underscore in the middle. Convention. This is the standard way to create readable variable names using multiple words in Python. Now, as a snack case, it's highly recommended for all public variables, functions, and methods. Behavior improves code readability significantly. Let's do this. Number 5. And let's print it. And let's run it and print. Okay. Underscore variable convention for internal use. Underscore variable name mangling to avoid naming conflict in inheritance. Underscore variable underscore special methods variable recognized by Python. Variable underscore avoid collision with Python keywords. Variable underscore name standard multi-word variable naming snack case. See you in the next video.